Hi, thanks for stopping by. Calendar Snack demo. You can see them in the event organizer dashboard. I sent out a batch list of 11 calendar invites to 11 different people. And that data went out to 2 people in my demo here. And I just wanted to show you that these people here over to the right in my demo space, Zach and Mandy, I see Zach there and Mandy there, have responded back to this Los Angeles Rams at Detroit Lions right here. So let me make this bigger over here because I can. And we'll take a look at the fact that, let's see here, keep it right. So Mandy, go a little bigger over here. Mandy said yes. Zach said, I believe he said maybe. So that data is in the S3 bucket in AWS using this console here that interfaces with our messaging system. So in addition to that, as the organizer of the dashboard here, you'll see it up here, footballschedulesoutlook.com, I'm going to summon a get invitee report. Now, due to Personal Information Act, we don't display that information here. So that report is sent back to the original organizer, footballschedulesoutlook.com. And let's take a peek at the validator data for the demo. So here it is here. It just came in. So to validate that for demo time, 12:58, 12:58. We're here on September 8th. So let me just review this report real quick. You'll see that Zach said tentative. So Zach's over here, tentative. Make it a little bigger. You'll see Z over there for Zach. And Mandy said yes. So here's the data validation part for Mandy over here. Mandy said yes at the Rams Detroit. So let's change it up a bit. Let's go back to both of these interfaces here on Gmail where they've received these calendar receipts and see how they're going to communicate back with the S3 buckets themselves. So let's say no to this one for Amanda, and let's go to Zach, and Zach's going to say no as well. They've had a last minute change. They're not going to go to the Rams of Detroit Lions. Mandy says no as well. You see it there. Mandy says no to Rams at Detroit Lions. So what happens with the data back in the bucket? You can see that I have 2 pieces of data here validated in the calendar receipt bucket and the S3. One tentative, one accepted. So now I just change and what happens? Let me refresh the dashboard, and when I refresh the dashboard, you're going to see that we still collected 2, but when I refreshed the dashboard, now it says decline. Let's validate that through getting this report. The report is going to be sent back to the organizer again. Hence, this is the organizer here, back to footballschedules@outlook.com. I just received that, validate it's 1 p.m. I'm going to validate here, 1 p.m., 1 p.m. Okay, this is the report. I'm going to preview it, and when I look at the details, Zach declined and Mandy declined. That's the end of the demo. You can see that our system is showing live data, and our live data is here in this review of how it all works. And with this recap real quickly, I'm going to go to this slide here and review just what happened. So the quick recap is I showed 11 invites going out to an email list. Mandy and Zach were on it down here. I used the picker to send out the batch run of calendar invites. The calendar receipts received over here. I showed you the dashboard, and I showed you how update works from the customer and user perspective, and how we collect data and how we summon the data from AWS. Thanks for stopping by.